Good morning, students. Welcome back to our online class. This is, as you know, it is your science class. Today we will be doing chapter number 13, the solar system. Okay, so chapter 13, the solar system. This is the chapter we will be doing today. Okay, and we will be doing the long answer question, because you know that in the previous class we have already completed question number 1 from long answer question from the exercise of this chapter. So today we will be doing question number 2. See here, exercise, this is page number 87. Okay, and we will be doing the long answer question G number 2. How does change in seasons takes place how does change in seasons take place due to the movement of the earth. This is the question. Okay, so let us start writing. Actually this is a long answer question, so answer can be long. Okay, see here, answer: the earth revolves around the sun. However, during its revolution, the earth always remains tilted on its axis at an angle of 23.5 degree. Okay, as a result, at a certain time of the year the northern hemisphere is bent towards the sun, towards the sun, while 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 the southern hemisphere is away from it, away from it. At some other times, at some other times, at some other times, the southern hemisphere is bent towards the sun, is bent towards the sun, towards the sun, towards the sun, while the northern hemisphere is away from it, away from it. Okay. The hemisphere which is tilted towards the sun, towards the sun, gets the direct sun rays, and so it is warmer, and so it is warmer and has summer, At the same time, the other hemisphere is away from the sun, and is cooler, and is cooler, cooler, so has winter, and is cooler and so has okay, and so has winter. Okay, one more line we have to add here. So I will do one thing, I will rub here the question. Okay, I'll give here star mark. Okay, after this we'll go here, we are doing G number 2 answer. Okay, I'm drawing a line here, it will be helpful for you. Okay, after this give asterisk, you write here regions at or near the equator receives the same amount of sunlight, so is summer all the year. Okay, regions at or near the equator receives the same amount of sunlight, so is summer all the year. Autumn comes between summer and winter, becomes between summer and winter, while spring comes between winter and summer, comes between winter and summer. They are neither very hot nor very cold, nor very cold. Okay, this is completed now. Cold. Actually, this is a long answer question and it will be a long answer also. Okay, because question is this type, and you will have to draw the diagram from page number 85. Here I write, draw page number 85. Okay, so I will repeat. Today we have done only one question because it is a long answer question, and it is of course a long answer. How does change in seasons takes place due to the movement of the earth? So look here, the earth revolves around the sun. However, during its revolution, the earth always remains tilted on its axis at an angle of 23.5 degree. As a result, at a certain time of the year, the northern hemisphere is bent towards the sun while the southern hemisphere is away from it. At some other times, the southern hemisphere is bent towards the sun while the northern hemisphere is away from it. The hemisphere which is tilted towards the sun gets the direct sun rays, and so it is warmer and has summer. At the same time, the other hemisphere is away from the sun and is cooler, and so has winter. After there, I have repeated here, then regions at or near the equator receives the same amount of sunlight, so is summer all the year. Autumn comes between summer and winter, while spring comes between winter and summer. They are neither very hot nor very cold. Okay, for the benefit of you, of your choice, benefit of your answer, I will refer page number 85 there. You can write from there also. I have written the board and the diagram of the revolution of the earth causing changes in seasons. You will have to draw this one for this question. Okay, so thank you everyone. Hope you will watch this video and you will write the answer. Of course, it's a long answer, you have to write it. Only one answer is left, that question number 3 from long answer question we will doing in the next class. So till then, thank you everyone.